गोयान घुळी वखदांची किरकोळ विक्री जाता। गोयान ड्रग्स उत्पादन जाता म्हण आमकां असो एकय पुरावो मेळिल्लो ना। गोयान ड्रग्स गोंया भायरसून येता। आमी घुळी वखदांचो वेव्हार करप्यांची म्हायती मेळटाच तांचेर नदर दवरून आमी तांकां अटक करतात, अशी म्हायती उत्तर गोंय पुलीस अधीक्षक नितीन वॉल्सन हांच्यांनी दिल्या। RDX गो खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Goa is a place where there is retailing. We haven't found any evidence supporting the allegation that Goa is a manufacturing place और गोवा में गोब्रेड ड्रग्स मैन्युफैक्चर करता है या गोवा में ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ड्रग सिंडिकेट है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ड्रग्स कम फ्रॉम आउटसाइड टू गोवा एंड द ड्रग पेडलर्स यूज the drugs which have come from outside to sell to the people who wants to consume drugs. There are different routes in which they come. Sometimes they come through train, sometimes they come through buses. गांजा और जो हमने देखा है गांजा और चरस का जो मेन पेडलिंग है, जो इंडस्ट्रेट जो लेके आते हैं, दे आर इंडियंस। एंड जो सिंथेटिक ड्रग्स है लाइक कोकेन और LSD, वी हैव फाउंड द इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ फॉरेन नेशनल्स। The recent increase in the drug cases is because the police have become extra precautious and extra active, because under the guidance of Honorable CM and our DGP, we have been given repeated instructions to be zero tolerant to drugs. So we have created specific teams and all the police officers have been repeatedly briefed and sensitized to take action against the drugs. That is why we are able to catch more and more drugs.
सर, 10-15 दिनों में जो शोरूम से 3 लोगों को अरेस्ट किया है, कौन से को इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है कि उनको कहाँ से मिला? कौन सा? 10-15 दिनों में जो शोरूम से जो पकड़े थे, उनसे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है कि कहाँ से मिला था?
See, what happens is like the person who are retail business में होता, they buy it from the person who brings it from outside. So whenever we catch the retailer, the retail drug peddler, the news gets spread. So immediately the other person goes underground. Okay, so we keep a track over them. Okay, and it is not necessary that immediately we will be able to nab them. We are actually tracking them. जैसे हमें मिल जाते, we arrest them. So we have the details. Okay, we have the details. We have some contact details and we are working on them.